Morning children, today we will see land pollution. Land pollution is the destruction of land surfaces as a result of man's activity. It occurs when waste is not disposed of properly. You can see that these plastic polythenes are not disposed in the soil. So it is one of the pollutant for the land pollution. Sometimes when we are throwing some garbages that are also not disposing in the land, that is also causing land pollution. All that plastic and dirt that we throw on the ground, which is making the land pollutions, and this causing different kinds of diseases. There are some ways through which we can prevent the pollution. Here we can see some points. Use buses and trains instead of cars. Then walking or cycling for this short distance. Then turning off the lights and the water pipes after using, through which we can prevent the wasting of electricity. Then throwing the rubbish, instead of throwing the rubbish we can recycle it. And composting the fruit and vegetable waste, we can reduce the land pollution. And one more important point is people should be educated and made aware about the harmful effects of the littering, through which we can prevent the pollution. Children, you underline all the important points and learn it. These are the points how to prevent the pollution. Now we will see another one way, that is reuse or recycle. The greatest prevention to pollution is the 3Rs, that is reduce waste, reuse things and recycle things. This is true even for governments. They can also use the 3R rule to minimize the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. After the 3Rs, remember to turn the rest of the garbage into compost. So children, you underline all the points and remember it and learn it. Thank you children. Have a nice day.